everyone. Welcome to Hot Topics in Immigration Law, February 2019. My name is Paula Ferrero, and I will be presenting today with Genevieve Kessler. Hi, Genevieve.
Hi, Paula. Thanks so much for having me today.
Great, my pleasure. Very excited to have you on board. So before we begin, I'd like to let you know that we are requesting continuing legal education credits from New York State for this presentation. Please record all attendance verification codes announced during the program. And so the purpose of this webinar is to provide you updates on different just different things that are happening in immigration law. As everyone knows, this is constantly changing and sometimes it's really hard to keep up. I'm going to talk a little bit about all the different updates regarding litigation for TPS, for DACA, for the CAM program, and to discuss the EOIR backlog in light of the recent government shutdown. There have been some updates from USCIS regarding Form I-751 for the interviews, and also updates on the N-648 medical certification for disability exceptions for people who are applying for citizenship. Genevieve, as we know, her expertise is on legislative updates, and she's going to talk about state-sponsored immigration-related bills, also federal immigration-related bills. She's going to discuss the recent budget talks and the border wall funding, and also House Committee assignments, because there was a new class that was coming in. And so there's some great updates on that. Okay, so as we know, temporary protected status, in the new administration, Department of Homeland Security has terminated TPS for nationals of Sudan, Nicaragua, Haiti, El Salvador, Nepal, and Honduras. The last couple of years have been very busy in that area. Having said that, community-based organizations, nonprofits, immigration advocates, and immigration attorneys haven't given up, and they have sued the federal government. There are 6 pending lawsuits in federal courts just on temporary protected status. And so the next couple of slides, I'm going to give you the background, at least in the names of the cases and what the status are. Also, please note that this presentation is going to have an article that accompanies it where we go into more detail on the subject matter that we discuss, and with also relevant links. So, with the PowerPoint and in the article, you should get a pretty comprehensive look at the state of immigration right now. In terms of TPS, there's this case, the NAACP versus DHS, which is focusing on Haitian TPS. It was filed a year ago on January 24th, 2018, and then amended on April 17th, 2018. This is a case that was filed in the U.S. District Court for the District of Maryland, where the plaintiffs allege that the November 2017 decision to rescind TPS for Haiti was intended to discriminate against Haitian immigrants because of race and/or ethnicity in violation of the Due Process Clause of the Fifth Amendment. But that case is still pending, and it's been pending for almost a year. The next case is the Centro Presente versus Trump, which was filed on February 22nd, 2018, and that involves El Salvador, Haiti, and Honduras in the U.S. District Court for the District of Massachusetts. There was a motion to dismiss, so the government requested a motion to dismiss it, and the court said no, they denied it on July 23rd, 2018. And there is actually a conference between the parties, and it's scheduled for March 4th of this year. So in less than a month, the government and the plaintiffs are to meet to have more negotiations or discussions. And what this one also alleges is intentional discrimination on the basis of race, ethnicity, and/or national origin in violation of the equal protection and due process clauses of the Fifth Amendment. And I think this is a trend that you're going to see in these, definitely in these TPS cases, where the plaintiffs are arguing discrimination on a variety of grounds.